What is going on, guys? Today's video we have two new products from Spark. We have two new products from Muve Acoustics. I don't really know if I said that right, but we have the Spark and the Box Wireless Go. These are budget options for both of these, and I've seen both of these have pretty good reviews on Amazon, so we're gonna go test these out. Thanks for the company for actually sending these out for a review. Very excited on how these will sound. So we're gonna start off with the earbuds themselves first, since I don't know how the sound quality is yet. Really quick, I'll just take a look at the box. So looks like you have onboard controls. These are good for like mic monitoring for your microphone or whatever. Let's get into this. We have that and a little guide here. All right, so here's the device itself. And you have your ear tips right here. Usually I have the mediums on applied. Should be working pretty good. Let's test this out. All right, so here are the earbuds. I might actually use these for mic monitoring like I said before. Okay, so that's really cool. They're angled at a degree. That way you can actually have like a nice fit. And then these have the tangle-free design noodle straps, I guess you say. Play, pause, and a microphone. So that's really cool. Let me go and give these a wipe down, and then I will put them in my ear and test something out. Probably aren't really meant for music. They're, like I said, meant for just audio monitoring. At least that's what I think, because there's barely any wired earbuds. Let's just go ahead and test this out. Off the bat, I can already tell these do have a noise isolation. Let's go and test it out. Wow, so they're actually way better than I actually anticipated. The noise isolation is really, really shockingly good. I can barely hear the surroundings in my just outside world. They're actually way better than I thought. And let me double check the price, because if it's like super mad cheap, then these are just amazing. Okay, so these are $8 and they have 1,300 reviews for $8. $8. These are a must-have for audio recording. Look at that. You got a nice design. They look good. $8. That's a win. That's a win. Okay, so far this is really good, and you're just gonna have to trust me on that audio. The clarity on it is really good. The bass is decent, you know, but it's meant for clarity. Right here we have the box speaker. All right, let's get into this one. Looks like it does have Bluetooth 5.0. That's good already. This one I think is less than $20. 3 watts output for the speaker, 95 decibels, micro USB, 500 milliamps, up to 6 hours on play. It does have a SD card slot and FM radio and a USB flash drive. Bluetooth distance 10 meters, pretty standard. So up to date, pretty good packaging there. A little inspiration quote right there, and then we have your micro USB and user manual. I'm not going to get that out since I don't really need that. So here is the speaker itself. Wow, this is really, really light. This feels like a toy. Like, okay, I don't really care what it feels like or looks like as long as it sounds good. Ouch. So that was already horrible.
Bluetooth mode.
Wow. So I don't know, but I think you can use this USB port for charging your phone or something. You do have a 2F card and an input in the back. And then right here you have the actual device. Doesn't look like it has a mesh on top. It's literally just the speaker. Like literally you can see the speaker, so it doesn't have any mesh. You have a rubber grip around the bottom, 5 volts to 1 amp. So that's pretty much it. This looks like a volume up and down, but it's a skip, pause, play, and a mode, which I think is for FM radio. So we're gonna get this. Since I am already connected to this speaker, we'll just show you what it looks like. I'm just gonna play NCS. I don't know. I feel like those are cringy. Let me get no copyright beats up in here. Chill trap. Tests for bass and clarity all in one. Okay, that's kind of, oh yikes. Yeah, that's a big no. Yeah, that's a big no. So the speaker, not really good for your money. You could probably find a better speaker for a little bit more. This is less than 20 bucks, but I believe the JBL Clip is about 20 to 30 bucks, which that's a must-have for bass and clarity overall. This one is just cheaply made. It's like really old tech, micro USB. If you have a tech product that has micro USB, it's usually gonna suck since it's outdated tech already. So I don't really it's Bluetooth 5.0. It has TF card. It has a decent capacity for a speaker, but you know, so that's that. This one's a no, this one's a go. Thank you for watching.